Hello everyone, how you doing? Today we got a problem, something to fix. We got the line 6 FBV short pedal. They got a squeegee sound in the expression pedal right here. The way to fix that problem is open the bottom of the pedal, take the bottom part out, and you're going to see right here the mounting of the expression pedal. You're going to use one Allen key in one side and a wrench in another side. You can loosen them up or tighten them up as you wish, and you add a little W40 in each end and dry them up the excess of oil to avoid the oil run through the inside the board and mess around your electronics. And after that, you put the bottom part back and it's ready to go, ready to make noise, back to business. Well, this is the quick form to repair that squeaky bad sound of the expression pedal. Well guys, thank you, and this is Luis for On the Ground Guitar Shop.